Hi everyone, this is Amy. Today I'm going to crochet a super easy beach skirt. So let's get started. I'm working with a 9mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. This pattern is worked sideways. You can start with any number of chains in a multiple of 4. So after you have your foundation chain made, you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Just one single crochet. Skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch you're going to make 3 double crochet. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. So it's making this shell. So you work that way across the row. Skip the next stitch, 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. So you're going to work that way all the way across the row. So after working all the way across the row, you're going to end with a single crochet in the last stitch. So here's this row that I'm just showing you. Single crochet, 3 double crochet, single, 3 double, single, 3 double, all the way across the row. And then the next row is going to be triple crochet all the way across the row. And then you just keep repeating that. It's a row of shells and a row of triple crochet, a row of shells, a row of triple crochet. You just repeat that all the way across the so this would be the end of a row. So to start the next row, I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to turn the work, and I'm going to make a triple crochet. And a triple crochet is yarn around the hook twice, and in every stitch across the row I'm going to make a triple crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to triple crochet in every stitch across the row. The last one is in the last single crochet. Okay, so you'll have a row of shells and a row of triple crochet. And the next row is going to be a repeat of the shells, so you're going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first stitch, skip the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the next. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. And that's it. So you have a row of shells, a row of triples, and a row of shells. And when you're working across the next row of shells, you're just going to notice that you're directly above the shell from that previous row down here. To crochet the flower, chain 30. Like that, chain 30. In the second stitch from the hook, make 2 double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now you're going to go ahead and make 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, make 1 double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, make the second double crochet. So 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. all the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've made 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way around, and then fasten off with a long yarn end. Thread the yarn end into a needle, and now I'm going to start at the other end. I'm going to curl this into a spiral. And if you want to make a smaller flower, just start with a shorter foundation chain. Now you're just going to turn this around, and with the yarn needle you're going to weave right through all the way across all the layers. Now move over a little ways, and then again all the way across through all the layers, and move over again through all the layers. And I'll do it one more time. Move over a little ways, come all the way across through all the layers. And now there's your beginning yarn end. You can tie these into a knot, and then weave the yarn ends back into the finished work. And if you'd like to make this flower removable, you could sew on one of these barrette clips or even a safety pin, and you can just sew that on at each end, and then you'll have a removable flower. And then you can wrap your skirt around your hips and attach the flower to close the skirt, or you could use a button.